Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I have I like how I just threw that on top there. Is that how I took a picture? Today I do have a haul. I feel like I have a Michael's haul once every maybe like half a year. Every 6 months I do like a little Michael's trip. I do pick up like random things throughout the year whenever I like pop in, but I went to Michael's. It's like one of the places I like to go and just kind of peruse around, and I decided that this was my trip that I'm going to go a little crazy. So let me go ahead and separate this stuff out a little bit because there's kind of like a couple of different like sections that can kind of segue into other ones from specific directions. So let's start, I guess, on the bottom. First thing I actually picked up is this, which I thought was really funny. It is called a glitzy clip, and it's a sloth, and I got this for Emily, our newest employee, who, actually she's not our newest employee, she's our second newest employee, who loves a sloth. So the first thing that I picked up was a paper pack, and this paper pack is called Roses, and it has a bunch of different really pretty colors in it. You have a like nude, a baby pink, a blush pink, and then or like a millennial pink, a white, and then this like yellowy cream color. And I just thought this was very like on trend, planner related. It has 50 pieces, and I can see myself pulling these in to different spreads, mostly to like layer things or like put like pictures on and then cut around them. So I thought that'd be really cute, so I just picked this up, and also I can just use it for like regular life things. Then I just went a little ham on their paper section, mostly for metallic papers. So I did pick up 2 of these pink with gold bows. I feel like these are all over the planner community. I didn't have any, so I figured I'd pick 2 up because that's all they had was 2. And then I picked up a bunch of these like doily lace papers. Again, they had a bunch of different colors, so I just picked up a couple. So I did pick up, is that everything I picked up? Yeah. I picked up one of the pink color that's like a little bit shimmery. I picked up these like purpley colors. I thought if I wanted to kind of like settle down my Halloween setup I could. And then I also picked up a white one, and then I did pick up a couple of other metallic papers. So I did pick up this white with little gold dots. I picked up 2 of those. I picked up some white with hearts, with gold hearts, and then I figured if I ever did a rose gold setup, which I don't think I ever will, but if I did, I would probably like something like this for the front page, and it's just a really pretty fine, it's not gonna like shed or anything, rose gold glitter. And then I also picked up 2 of these marble with gold because I thought these could also be pulled into pretty much any one of my setups. Well, not my next 3 because they're all going to be silver. So that is all the papers. I'm just going to leave this out as a background because I don't have really anywhere else to put it. I did pick up 1 sticker pack, and this is like for future Andrea, not for current Andrea. I'm not pregnant, but I thought this was really cute. So this is a like baby by, I think it's Mombi. So it just has a bunch of different baby stickers in here that are like kind of planner related. But there's not a lot of planner stickers out there, and I think it's because it's a very like niche area. Like you're not going to always be pregnant, like no one's always going to be pregnant, I don't think, at least. And I feel like so keeping them in stock in a lot of shops doesn't make a ton of sense, or even just like allocating a lot of production to baby stickers. So I thought that these would be cute if I ever do become pregnant, so they'll probably just sit in a drawer for like 6 years. But I thought those were cute. Then I did pick up some doilies. So I did kind of like hate on doilies for a while, but then I like used one in my spread and I was like in love. So I did pick up a bunch from the Martha Stewart brand, which I didn't realize they used to have in Michael's, which I don't, maybe it was just mine. They used to have like a Michael's party supply, and then now they have this like modernized, like Martha Stewart used to have like a blue as her color, but now everything's like white and modern, and I love Martha Stewart like a lot. And she has like all different party supplies, which are like hella cute. Like I want to have a birthday party and have like the whole hollow section, which I'm not a hollow person, but it was so pretty. So I did pick up these 2, which I feel like if I ever did a rose gold spread, I would use these, and then if I ever did a hollow spread, I would use these. I do have a lot of them, so I might like send them to some friends. I also picked up the white ones, the gold ones, and then these are from the Celebrate It line, and these were by the Cupcakes, and I thought these were cute as like little mini doilies, so I did pick up the gold and the silver as well. Also from the Martha Stewart line, I did pick up one of her washes, which I didn't even realize this was hers. I think it was because I'm just not used to like the white with the, actually I picked up 2 of her washi tapes. So these are really, really pretty and like super on trend. So let me go ahead and zoom you guys in actually. It's bring it a little closer. So I mostly got this one for the little white with the different colored jewels. I kind of wish this one was foiled. And I just kind of like liked all of them actually, but I think the one that I liked the most was the jeweled one. And then this one I picked up mostly for the scalloped, and then the pink is really pretty, but again, I think all of these are really beautiful. I wish the scales, and I wish a couple more of them are foiled, but you know, it's cute. Then also with washi tape, I did pick up one of the Michaels brand Recollections rolls. And this is a rose gold one, and I really like the rose gold because it's pink. It's pretty close to the rose gold that I use for my foiled stuff. So I thought that'd be cool to kind of like match stuff. Let me pull out a sheet. It's like very similar color-wise to my rose gold. Mine's like a little bit pinkier, but it's less of like that copper color. So there's a ton in here that I thought were really cute. I love like washi that's like white and then the like rose gold. There's like a ton of like 5mm ones and 10mm ones and then 15mm ones. And I really especially liked the little stripey bit one on the top, and then the like girly like eyelashes, lips, the hearts, the scales, the dots. This like is pretty cool. I love the scallop one, and then this like triangle one. So I'm not going to keep all of these. I will put the ones that I don't like in my declutter pile because I don't want to have like the world's biggest washi collection, but that's okay. Then I did pick up 2 more tapes. They had a lot of washi, guys, and they had even had like a planner specific one, and then they had scented washi. This one reminds me of Kiki for some reason, or Kiara, and this has like the pink with like the little animal print looking, and then this one has the little bows. So I think this one would be really pretty in my planner, and then this one also has lipstick. So I thought this one was really cute. These are 10mm. And then I picked up this one because I thought it was funny because there's like a bow washi, but I also really liked the white with the silver crowns. I thought that was really cute. Again, these remind me of Kiki a lot. I don't know why, but like pretty washi reminds me of Kiki. Then I don't know, I guess the next segue is like a weird segue, and then I'll go back to washi. But I did go ahead and pick up some glitter and confetti. Well, I guess they're both glitter. This is just shape glitter, and this is like fine glitter. So I picked these up. These were, I believe, the Recollections, but they were with the, actually, I think they're just Recollections. So they have a bunch of different glitters in here, and I like this because there was like one of every like foil color almost. Well, actually there's no silver. So you have gold stars, gunmetal stars, rose gold hearts, the like hollow white stars, gunmetal stars again. So there's 2 gunmetal stars. I wish they would have did silver, but still super cute, and I will definitely be using these in dashboards. And then I also picked up this, and then also like glitter, like it's like stamps. Like I get stamps in like all of my boxes, and I don't throw them away because like even outside of planning, like I'm gonna find a use for this eventually, and especially with having a kid, like glitter is gonna come up in my future. So again, in this one, I don't know why they did 2 of like the gunmetal. This one's kind of cool because the gunmetal is kind of like has like a rainbow hollow to it. So you have the gunmetal, you have the gold, the white iridescent, the rose gold, and then the silver. And that's like fine glitter. And then last but not least, I did buy some stuff because I do want to do it kind of as like a, not like a, oh wait, no, I guess these are, let's show you these first. So I did buy these. These were in the Halloween section from Recollections. I really feel like I missed out on a good coupon because usually they have, unless it was on sale and I just didn't pay attention, but I feel like usually the Recollections are, oh they were, so the Recollections were buy one get 50% off. That's not bad. I feel like usually you could get like 50% off if you wait, but like I'm impatient. So I did get these like studs. I thought these were really, really cool, and they come into a lot of spreads. It's really neat. So these are just really cool like pyramid studs. Then I also got these, which I don't really know what I'm going to use these for, but they're just kind of like collections, like little collected, like different sized studs. I don't know what I'm going to use them for, but I thought they were kind of cool. And then last but not least, like I said, I kind of did this as like a challenge for myself, but I kind of want to set up this little pocket planner. This is a Louis pocket planner. I don't know what more to say about it. These are still really cute, but I really love this. I think it's super adorable, and I really want to set it up for Halloween. I could use my Halloween kit that I have coming out, but I think I'm going to use that in my rings or my strings, my big ones. So I wanted to get some stuff to set it up, just kind of like, I like doing sometimes like setups. It ended up being like expensive, I feel like, because this is like $6. This one was $5, $5, and $7. So I mean, I ended up probably spending as much as like one of my tan kits and didn't get like as much stuff. But I think it's still going to be cute because I really liked these papers. I just didn't want to commit like a full spread in like one of my bigger notebooks because I do really want to use mine. So, but I thought this was really trendy and cute. It reminds me a lot of Kinish Jess for some reason. Jess, if you like want me to go pick you up anything from this, let me know. So it's called Moonlit Manor, and I really loved all of these papers. It honestly reminds me of something that Kinish Jess would draw. So you have like gold stars and dots with different like cool sketches in the background, and this one says Fright Night with like a photo. This one just has some like skeletons, some bats with the purple, some like lacy blacks. I guess it kind of reminds me of the Witch Please kit. Some like birds, some different like spooky things, some skeletons. This one is really pretty. It kind of looks like washi strips, so I think this would make a really cool front dashboard. Black with gold, and there's 2 of every one. I'm just skipping them. This one's so pretty. I love the dark florals. I almost bought some. So I was walking around Michael's, and I actually had a thought to myself that I don't really love Halloween that much. I think I'm more of a Christmas person, but I like was looking at all the stuff, and like Martha Stewart has some amazing, gorgeous things. This is Recollections, but Martha Stewart had some amazing Halloween stuff, and I feel like other years I'd been like so on it, but for some reason this year I'm just like not into Halloween. I don't know. I'm just like, where's my Christmas? Like, I'm ready for Christmas. I don't even know how I'm going to decorate. I might like wait to see if Target has anything that like tickles my fancy, but I really wasn't like jamming with anything. So, oh dang, that's just like a bunch of the same sticker sheet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Dang. Okay. So I picked up those to do like little dashboards obviously with. I did pick up these black seals, which I thought were cool. I could also use these for like other things, but they're like matte black, and then they have like different little, a crow, a skull, crossbones, a pumpkin, and a spider, and I thought those were kind of cool. I also got these, which again I could pull into a different setup, but they're little bling stickers, and they have different, I'm so sorry. Bling stickers, so they're just like different colored jewels, and I loved the purple tones. I thought that would look kind of cool. I also did get some sticker sheets. I think it's just this one, which has a bunch of different words on it, and then this one here, I thought I could kind of use these as die cuts in a smaller planner. So these ones are other stickers. They're the same on both sides, and then this one's like full boxes and like washi strips, and then like checklists. So I just figured, I think, or maybe there's more than one. How many pieces does it say? 190. That's the stickers. I think there's just 2 of each sheet. I guess we could just open it. Yeah, just 2 of every sheet. So I thought I could use these kind of as like die cuts. And then I did get this because I thought this was kind of a cool option. I might actually like cut this out and use it as a journaling card. And this is just like, I feel like if you had a small tan you could put in there. Or I guess you could just put it in here somehow. Like maybe like this or something. I think that'd ruin everything, but I don't know. Probably not, but you know what I mean. So this one has a bunch, like I said, of the same sticker sheet, which, I mean, I get for like manufacturing, that makes the most sense. And they're kind of cute stickers. You got some like functional icons. You have some trackers. You have some checklists, and then some deco items, which is cute. I think actually for planner stickers, these aren't like the most horrible ones. And then these are sticky notes, which I thought were so cute. I love this one, the little hand. Bennett's eating noodles, in case you guys wanted to know. So that is that. And then I also picked up for this setup 4 washi tapes, and I tried to pick ones that I thought were like really cute. And again, these remind me so much of Jess from Kinish Jess. So they each have, this one has 1 foiled, and then these are 2 foiled. So I thought this one was kind of like spooky with the spiders, and I thought I could kind of really for sure use these later on. And their washi tapes were really cute. They had one with the skeletons, but it was like vertical, and I thought it was really cool, but it wasn't like super functional for me. Gray with the gold spider web. And then this one I thought was really cute. It's like cuter. And this one says Witch's Best Friend, and it has a little cat. And then this one has like a cat and like little pumpkins and stuff, which is really cute. So I picked those up to kind of do a little setup. If you guys want to see this setup, definitely let me know in the comments down below, and I will show you guys a flip through using all of these items. And I'll definitely like figure out how much this cost me to do like a little pocket setup. I didn't like pick up a ton of things, but I think I could do a really cute setup with these. And then I'll like see like what I want to pull in. I think I might just pull in like I don't know. Maybe not a lot, actually. We'll see. So let me know if you guys want to see that. But that's everything for this haul. I hope you guys liked it. There's a lot of really cool stuff at Michael's. I think they have a lot of really cool washi tapes right now. And then especially like these lines, their new like Halloween stuff. Again, I'm not like really into Halloween this year. I don't know why. I really felt sad walking through the aisles. I just wasn't like, I wasn't vibing with it. I wasn't like, I want to decorate for Halloween. I was like, where's Christmas? But that's everything. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.